got it. And lean right over it and hammer it. Washing the material. And it's somewhere where you squash it. See how it's widened out? And finish off with that hook. Just get rid of that hook. That's roughly what we want. That's what's going. Now, on this one, this handle, I'm going to do this to create the bevel. Now I'm going to flip it. I've got it resting on my hip. Put it 10 mil back from the fuller. Finish off here. And then this one, 10 mil back from the end. So hold it up to the light and you'll see if you like. There's a little mix. That's enough. So the handle and the spine are not hardening, and I don't want them to harden. See that? This is the sound of hardened steel, I hope. Hear it? Start off with laying it flat, then press it onto the bevel, and then lift it a degree, and you should see a bubble of oil form. When that forms, that's the angle. Keep it there. This hand should now lock to that angle and draw it to there. Now to do the other side, you just flip it and do the same. On the flat, on the bevel, on the lift, and you'll see the oil appear.